Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create column chart on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example. First column is employee name, second one is total units. So if I want to create a graphical presentation on this data, I will select the data without headings and then I'll go to insert tab and there are charts option here. I will select this first one. If you click on this side, it will show 2D column chart and 3D column chart. I always prefer 3D column chart is better as compared to 2D column chart. So I select this one. The chart has been created. You can move the chart anywhere within your worksheet. You can resize the chart from the corners so to make it look like more nicer. I can change the title of the chart as well. Double click on the title and then, sorry, press Ctrl Z to go back. And here it has removed the title of the chart. So from the plus button, I can bring back the title. You can see the chart title. If you check this option, it will come back. And then I can change a title to sale. What I would like to see, I would like to see these total units sold along with these bars as well. So I will click the chart and on the plus button, I click the plus button and you can see data labels. If I click on this one, so it will show the total units sold according to the employee. It's showing at the top of the each bars. Other options are data table. If I click this one, it will appear a data table at the bottom. So you can see according to the employee name, total units sold. Another thing is if I want to change the design of the chart, click on the chart and from the design you can see there are different design. You can change the design of your chart quickly and this is how you can modify your chart. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.